So hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video, we will see what is a multi-level inheritance and we will explain it through an example. So basically, what is meant by multi-level inheritance? It is nothing but in this we will be having one grandparent class. From the grandparent class, we will resolve or we can say we can inherit one parent class, and from that parent class we will inherit another child class. So let's understand what we mean now through an example. So here is our Python compiler. So now let's start. So class, I will create here one grandparent. So my class name is grandparent, and in this I will define one method. So I will give it diff one. I will give that method name, and here is my self. Now I will give one print command, and it will print message that I am grandparent class. It will print messages I am grandparent class. So as we have studied in the definition, in this we will be having one grandparent class. So this is our grandparent class named as grandparent. You can give here any name. So basically it will be having one grandparent class, and from that grandparent class we will inherit one parent class. So now let's inherit one parent class. So class, I will name this as an parent. So we are inheriting this parent class from this grandparent class. So we will pass now here grandparent to make the compiler understand that this parent class is being inherited from the grandparent class. And here also I will create one method diff. I will give name as fun2 and in this I will give print command, and I will print and string that I am a parent class. So it will print as I am a parent class. So here is our string. So now let's create our third class. So as stated in the definition, we will be having one grandparent class. From that grandparent we will inherit parent, and from this parent we will inherit child. Now let's create class child. We will create, and this child is being inherited from the parent class. So here is our parent, and here I will create one function called as fun3. Let's pass ourselves. Now let's give an print command. So it will print as I am a child class. So as stated in the definition, we will be having one grandparent class, and from that grandparents we will evolve, or we can say we will inherit one parent class, and from that parent class we have inherited the child class. So now let's create an object of a child class. So you can create an object called as obj. It is object of child class. So here I am passing child. So now let's give and call to this fun1, fun2 and fun3 methods by using an single object of child class. So whatever the properties present in this grandparent will be inherited to parent, and from parent it will come to this child. So by using an object of just child, we can give call to this parent as well as grandparents. So let's give first call to the grandparent like obj dot fun1 method is present in the grandparent class. Now let's give call to our fun2 method that is present in the parent class. This is our fun2, and finally we will give call to the fun3 method. So this is fun3 present in child class itself. And now let's run our code. We have already saved it. So here is our output, that is I am grandparent class, I am parent class, and I am child class. So now let's look at the code once again. So here we have created one grandparent class. From the grandparent we have inherited the parent, and from the parent we have inherited the child, and we have made here the object as just child class. As per the definition, all the properties from grandparent will be inherited to this parent class, and from parent class it will come to this child. So by using a single object of child class, we can give to the all the functions or methods we can say present in the parent as well as grandparent. So thank you friends, and keep learning with the team Intron.